What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today, as you can see, got my iPad on deck, guys. This is the M2 Pro iPad that I use for BG Tech Life. Now, you don't see this in front of the camera a lot. I did unbox it. 90% of my videos have came from this iPad Pro and LumaFusion. The M2 iPad Pro is so dope and it's so powerful, but without any accessories, and this is how it comes when you buy it, is really bare. So I just want to talk about some of my favorite accessories to use with this device to even make it that much more interesting, powerful, productive, and useful. First and foremost, when it comes to any device, you're gonna need some protection. A lot of people go with the Apple case with the keyboard. I'm not really into that. I like to use my iPad without a keyboard a lot of times, so it's just not a good investment for me. So I'm trying out the Pitaka Mag Easy Folio 2 for the iPad. As you can see, white packaging, just a nice clean white folio case that'll add some protection. Easily switch between landscape and portrait, lightweight and portable, multiple viewing angles, auto sleep wake, built-in pen holder. And that's a lot of that is important to me. Of course, the lightweight and portable, because sometimes I may just want to travel with my iPad, not a laptop, and just have like a sling bag, like a bigger sling bag that can fit my iPad and not a whole bunch of heft going on. And also, you need somewhere to put that. You know, you want to make sure that your Apple Pencil is secure. So let's go ahead and get it out. Oh, that's nice. I like that Pitaka on the packaging. Just looks real clean, very minimal looking. You know, all this Apple stuff, it's all about the cleanliness and just that clean, minimal look. I'm liking this already. We're gonna get this protective packaging off of here. And as you can see, just a nice, clean white folio case. Different angles for different angles that you want to put your iPad at. Of course, you may want to have your iPad at a couple different angles when you're utilizing it. On the inside, nice, clean felt material. Does have a little thickness to it. You want a little width there just so it protects the iPad. And as you can see, you got some Pitaka branding. This is one of the angles that you get with the case when you're dealing with the iPad when you're in landscape mode, and these will definitely come in handy because I like to edit my videos on my iPad. Now, when it comes to editing on my iPad and just moving throughout the iOS on the iPad, I like using the Apple Pencil. I like, instead of using my fingers, you know, your fingers have moisture, my fingers are big, and, you know, especially when it comes to editing, so I can be precise. I love the Apple Pencil. Yes, the Apple Pencil is a little high. You know, it's built-in charging for the iPad M2 Pro for the Apple Pencil, so I can slap it on the top. It'll charge. I don't have to worry about charging it. It works really well if I want to do anything as far as a PDF or editing. So Apple Pencil is going to be my go-to as a mandatory accessory if you have an iPad. Now, what I use for a keyboard, I love a nice detachable keyboard to go with the iPad in case I do want to use it and like that laptop form factor. And my favorite keyboard right now is the MX Keys Mini. As you can see, got the silver colorway. It's nice and crispy, and this is a nice keyboard. It's a tad bit expensive for a mini keyboard at like $100, but the thing about this keyboard is it works with all the Mac stuff, and you can pair it between. It's got 3 different buttons, so it can be paired to 3 different devices at the same time. So this will be paired to my iPad, my MacBook, and then also, you know, if I wanted to use like my PC laptop, it could be paired to that also. It's a nice form factor, really nice build, and you get like a little clicky feel. It's not a mechanical keyboard, but it has enough key travel to where you feel at home typing on it. And on top of that, I just paired with my MX Master 3X mouse. Very color coordinated, looks very good. And this mouse, I love the scroll wheel. I love the side scroll wheels. It's actually there's a couple buttons on this mouse that you don't even know about. And when you set this mouse up on laptops and PCs, you can actually customize the button press. So that's very dope. These are also good for editing and just a really nice ergonomic mouse. I have a big hand, so when I'm using the mouse, I don't like the smaller mouses, and this just fits in my hand perfectly. I can use this mouse for a long time and my hand won't feel any type of fatigue. And you can connect this also with up to 3 devices and switch between those easily. And last but not least, I keep it simple for some audio. I just go to the AirPod Pro 2nd generation. They got good sound, and I like the amount of features that they have and the continuity that they have between my iPad, my MacBook, and my iPhone. So when I'm in the Apple ecosystem, I'm gonna throw my AirPods in just so I can use certain features like find my AirPods and things of that nature. This your boy BG. Today I just wanted to talk about my iPad. I'm always using it, but I never talk about it. Just sharing the products that I use with it. If you like anything, the links will be down in the description. It's your man BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. If you're not following me on Twitter and Instagram, go ahead and do that too. BG_Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.